unboxing the Alienware Pro gaming mouse. We did the keyboard, now we're doing the mouse. A little pull tab down here, very nice. If you want to check it out, Amazon links below, but let's get it unboxed. I love the packaging. Fantastic packaging. Look at the close-up on the mouse wheel. Love it. Either 4,000 or 8,000 hertz polling rate, 60 grams. From the few specs this shows, it looks like it could be a pretty decent competitor. Let's see if it's held up, because honestly, Alienware has had pretty terrible peripherals in the past. Okay, pulling this out of here. There's some rattling around. From what though? Probably a dongle or something? Very interesting design, like extremely interesting. Not at all what I was expecting, but what the hell is rattling around so much? Like, am I supposed to get inside of this? The feeling of it right away, not my favorite actually. It feels like an Alienware mouse, which is unfortunate, but the design down here is super cool. I mean, it's really quite cool. They have a physical on and off switch, but I don't know what's going on. I don't know if there's a way to get inside of this. Maybe I'm just being stupid, but listen. Like, what is going on here? There's like a space for a dongle or something. Let's open the box up. Maybe I need to read the manual. That comes out. It's very dense and firm. That's nice. Then we've got a ultralight cable design, which actually does feel nice and ultralight. Let's get this open. It's a little bit stiffer, actually. Yeah, it's a little bit stiffer. You can see it. If it's a really good ultralight cable, it'll just completely lose any sort of these kind of things right here, where it kind of keeps that. But honestly, not bad. Not quite as good as some, but not a big deal. Also in the box, we've got the dongle, which is almost impossible to get to. There we go. There's the dongle. So I'm assuming that this goes in here. It does. Yeah, so that's nice. But guys, I mean, oh my gosh, I'm not overdoing this. Listen. There's something seriously broken. Wait, did I fix it? Did I just fix it? No. I fixed the majority of it. What the heck? So now it's only doing it a little bit. So, okay. Let's turn this thing on. Has a little dot right there. No RGB here. That's interesting. Scroll wheel actually feels pretty good. Clicks feel decent, pretty immediate, pretty crispy, but not quite as good as BenQ or Logitech. And I think I probably prefer Razors, but that's just initial impressions. The thing wobbling around though, it's like, what is going on there? It still is a little bit, and that's really gonna bother me. All right, but let's get into this. I'm assuming this is just paperwork, a sticker, and some paperwork. Yeah, do we have another one? No, okay, so that's everything in the box. I think this is really interesting looking, but again, this is gonna take a lot more time to actually see if this is a good mouse or not. Side buttons feel great though, very different from up here, much more immediate, which is interesting. But yeah, I don't honestly have high hopes for this because obviously there's a quality control problem with the rattling around, although it's not doing it as much anymore, but I don't love the shape, and that's probably the most important thing. It kind of just comes down like that. It's not a great feeling. I'm a palm gripper, and I don't think this is gonna be a claw grip. I'm not sure. This is an interesting mouse. I do like what Alienware is trying, because they're at least trying where they weren't competing at all before. But yeah, if you want to check it out, Amazon links below. But this is Consumer Tech Review High Speed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.